Olive, you're home early, ain't ya?
Don't ask.
Well, I am asking. What's up, has factory come out of summer?
Nope. It's just me, man. Just me.
Oh, here she is. You deserve to be sacked. You're not but a troublemaker.
Leave it all. You don't want to get in a fight.
Don't I? I'd be happy to give her a slap.
Well?
It's been agreed. We voted to come out as from tonight.
Well, I don't know how you expect me to manage with 7 mouths to feed. How long's this going to go on for?
No idea. They say there's more than 2,000 out now, here and at Wheatsheaf and Duns Lane.
Oh, 'cause they're all Olive. You got a lot of answer for me, gal.
It ain't my fault.
Have you seen it?
Let me see.
It's you all. You're in the papers.
Oh, what am I going to do, Lil?
Come on, Ollie, it's not that bad.
Of course it's bad, Lil.
Olive, are you there?
Oh, it's you. What's up?
Strike's over. Thought you'd want to know.
What about Enderby?
Everyone to go back on Monday. What about me?
They didn't say anything about you all.
Well, I went to the factory like you said,
Yes?
and they told me there was no work for me there at Enderby.
What? Well, they can't do that. Come, sit down. No wonder you look upset. What happened?